So we're here at Koreshan State Park.
Yeah, we're just south of Fort Myers.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's kind of gray and rainy today, so.
And cold.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go see a movie instead of trying to do something fun, outdoorsy. Even though it has stopped raining at this point, but still, we're gonna go find a beer and go watch the new Jeffrey Dahmer movie. So yeah. This is our site.
Okay.
Morning.
Morning.
We're in Fort Myers. We're in Fort Myers at our campground, and there's like a little nature trail. So we decided to wake up this morning and take the dog to explore, and there's this river, the Estero River is right here, so we might do some kayaking this week, which will be fun.
Yeah, it's nice that they have this trail. Anytime there's a little trail that we can get to from our campsite, it just increases the value of where we're staying, because we can take the dog out for an easy walk, you know, during our lunch or before work, so it's nice.
It's nice little trail, and they say that there's gators here, so we're keeping an eye out.
Yeah.
Gators.
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 Gator done.
Gator done. Gators.
Hey guys, we're out kayaking at Koreshan State Park on the little river here. Hoping we don't see any alligators.
I'm hoping we see alligators.
I just don't want to see them closely.
I do. That's exactly what I'm hoping for. Get some gators. They even have manatee signs out here, so maybe we'll see a manatee. We're in the Estero River. We got Lulu. Lulu, you say hi? She's such a good kayaker. Such a good dog. And yeah, it's nice out. Beautiful day. Florida. Florida.
Florida, man.
That's it. That's all we got. Let's go. So we didn't see an alligator, even though people said they saw one right before us. And then we didn't see manatee, even though people saw them right around the time we showed up. It's disappointing, but we're here for another week, so hopefully we'll see something then. We'll come back.
It was a nice kayak though. Nice, smooth, flat. And you're in a tree.
I'm in a tree. I'm in a tree. Did it. Hey. Tell us where we are.
We are at Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary, just east of Fort Myers. And so far we've already seen a turkey, which was awesome.
It scared me. All of a sudden you heard I heard steps creaking like on the sticks behind me, and I was like, turkey!
Supposedly it's a 2.5 mile walk that we're about to do, and there could be anything from alligators, birds, bear, panther, otter, raccoons. So hopefully we see some really cool stuff, and yeah, here we go.
Here we go. So we're walking through the world's oldest cypress forest, I think.
Something along those lines.
Something about the oldest cypress something. And we're listening to birds. It's neat.
It's quiet, it's peaceful. Sound really travels crazy out here.
Affected pretty badly by Hurricane Irma. So as we're walking along, a lot of trees have just been completely shut down, and it looks like they wiped out parts of this boardwalk and they had to just cut them and replace them. So you can see the downed trees, and there's just like tree trunk stumps sitting on the boardwalk. It's pretty sad, but it looks like they've recovered well, and they said that the animals are acting normal and everything again since the hurricane. So they've been rebuilt. So we're wrapping up here, and it was really cool.
Yeah, we didn't see any alligator or anything like that, but we did get to see a raccoon, and we did see quite a few different species of birds, and we got to see a hawk actually chasing after what probably was a white ibis, but I won't know until I actually look at the photos up close. But that was pretty cool.
Yeah, two hawks. We saw one earlier sitting in a tree waiting for a fish to come by. So we saw a caterpillar that are poisonous apparently, and some gnarly spiders, and yeah, that raccoon who was just like trudging around in the water. He had like a blonde tail. It was weird. No alligators, no otter, no turtles.
No, but a really nice walk nonetheless.
Yeah. It's cold out, so they're probably avoiding life. Good morning. We are so happy because our neighbors just left, and they have been a fucking nightmare this whole time. Like, I don't know what the deal was, but there was like 12 people over there with a bunch of little screaming kids, and this is what we heard the whole time. It was death, complete death. So we have nice new people here who we've already met, and we are just super happy to now be outside. It warmed up a little bit today, so we're just happy to be outside finally, because we couldn't even come outside because these people were so loud and their children screamed so much. Happy campers today. We're at the Naples Botanical Gardens.
Yeah, we decided to get out for a little jaunt on the evening. It's supposed to be some really cool lights down here.
Jaunt on the evening is apparently a word or phrase. But we're gonna go see Christmas lights, which we don't like Christmas, but we're gonna see some lights.
Check this out. It's the hugging tree. Apparently you walk up to it. How about them apples? So we just did the botanical garden, the night lights here in Naples, and it was cool, but it wasn't really anything crazy fun or anything like that.
It would be nice to see the gardens in the daytime, but it's just lights on trees basically.
And there was some Christmas music, which, you know, is
We don't care for.
not our thing.
But it wasn't overly Christmas, which I
Right.
appreciated. Like, there was some Christmas tunes. They had like a live band, but it was, you know, regular music, and not everything was like green and red and white, which was nice. So
Wasn't super impressive, but it was still kind of cool.
it was cool. So that's it for this week's video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up down below. Send us any comments, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.